Elephants are titans that always awe-inspire. They even scared the Romans at the height of their empire. In strength they have no rival, as authorities confirm. No fan of survival takes on a pachyderm. A fact that often shocks is their unerring tact. The largest thing that walks leaves trodden leaves intact. They are gentle giants, in stone their minds are set. As confirmed by science, they never can forget. They rarely ever holler the secrets they confide. Giraffes may be taller, but they aren't half as wide. To a wild elephant, you're just another ape. If you're malevolent, he'll squish you like a grape.